Dear student, today we discuss Intelligence Bureau IBOM past paper test preparation to keep the ball rolling, to keep the conversation going, to lose face, to be humiliated, to show one's teeth, to adopt threatening attitude, to get into hot waters, to get into trouble. Antonym of expand is condense. Antonym of enormous is tiny. Antonym of docile is unyielding. Antonym of deviant is bent. Synonyms of brief is short. Synonyms of incredulous is unreliable. Synonyms of leather is laxity. Your request dash leave is under consideration, for he bears resemblance dash his father. 2. Do not put much reliance dash his promises on. These people of Iran staged a revolt dash their Shah. Against he struggled and gained a victory dash his enemies over. I cannot you I am short dash of money at present on. When installing a peripheral you also usually need to install a driver. The operating system is also called the dash between the user and the computer interface. Hard copy is a term used to describe printed output. What do you need for an inkjet printer? Cartridge. A user interface that is easy to use is considered to be user friendly. The data and time displays on taskbar. Taskbar is used for navigation program, switching between program, start a program. Which of the following is suitable after you install new drivers? Restart. What do you mean by dialog box? Interactive message box, group of options, set of controls. We can start the application from. Run. In Microsoft Windows, the graphical pattern on the desktop used as background for Windows wallpaper. To delete a file without allowing it to store in recycle bin, press Shift plus Delete key. What companion of Prophet peace be upon him was awarded with the title of the Line of Allah? Hazrat Ali Murtaza Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Surah Dash is known as Heart of Quran. Yasin. Hazrat Dash accepted Islam as first woman. Khadija. Basic pillar of belief are 5. The funeral prayer Namaz-e Janaza is Farz-e Kifaya. Which kind of system of government was introduced in 1973 Constitution? Parliamentary. Pakistan Steel Mills is located in Karachi. First country to recognize Pakistan was Iran. Complete the series 11, 12, 17, 18, 23, 24, 29. If A is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 5 and so on, what do you the number 397 stand for? BED. If 6 multiply 2 is equal to 31, 8 multiply 4 is equal to 42, 2 multiply 2 is equal to 11, 6 multiply 6 is equal to 33, then 8 multiply 6 43. Pointing to a photograph of a boy, Majid said, "He is the only son of my mother. How is Salim related to that boy? Brothers. Light blind. Speech dumb. Which country is largest in area? Russia. In plants, the process of pollination enables fertilization. The normal temperature of human body is 37 centigrade, which is the biggest planet and in our solar system. Jupiter. Name the current president of the USA. Joe Biden. Name the largest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean. Look at this series 36, 34, 28, 24 dash. What number should come next? 22. In a class of 40 students, 20% are girls. How many boys are there in the class? 32. Calculate the average of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Thanks for watching. Reading for exam.